We're here in Waco, Texas with Dustin Anderson of Anderson Glass, and Dustin's going to show us around his shop and we're going to take a look at some different glass products.
Let's do it. So every glass shop needs a showroom, so this is ours. Customers need to see what we do. They want to put their hands on it. They want to see what their options are. So we've got this spot here to show glass, hardware options, things of that nature.
Beautiful shower doors here, glass options over there, hardware back there.
For sure.
Awesome.
Let's go through the working space. All of our spaces are a little bit different. We've designed them, developed them from different locations. This is our conference room, all glassed in. It's a working space. As you can see, we've got these amazing sliders. And then of course we utilize the glass to write as much notes and stuff as we can. Each and every one of our employees is allowed to kind of do their office in their own decor, but we utilize glass everywhere. Another glass marker board. This is commercial storefront material, but we've utilized it in a way to create an office. This is our residential fabrication shop. We house all of our plate glass here, stock sheets, tempered glass, and then of course we cut, fabricate, and we also have a commercial shop out back, but this is ultimately where all of the magic happens.